Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to enable Shopify multi-currency checkout. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. What you can do is first simply search for multi-currency checkout in App Store. So you might have various integrations related to that as well that you can give a try. So you can see we have currency converter, we have multi-currency converter and much more. But you can also simply head over to your settings, and once you are onto your settings, what you're going to do is simply head over to your markets. So under location and add a different market in here, so you will be having multi-currency available on your platform, and that will be serving as multi-currency checkout. So that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.